This is a beautiful slime advent calendar that I know many kids of who would really, really like this. So it comes like this. When you open it up, it looks like this. So here you have the nice illustrations, and here you have all of the days in December up until the 24th, and the 25th is Christmas Day. So really, really nice. When I open this up, we can have a look inside how it looks here. So I open this here at the side and get out what's inside. And it comes like this. So every day has either a little bit of slime, which you can see here. It's very, very cute. You can see here, this is some kind of transparent slime. Then another day, there's always some sprinkles. Really cute Christmas design. Can you see this here? Absolutely adorable. Then I think this should be some butter slime, yes. Very nice. So even two-tone color, which is fantastic. There we have some more sprinkles. Very, very cute with elves and with Christmas trees and some candy canes. Absolutely adorable. Really nice for playing with. Here we have some more of the butter slime. Absolutely cute. Here's some more sprinkles. So I'm going to take all of these out and we can have a look at it together. So you have 12 of really nice. There are 4 more. So they are either butter or clear slimes. Very well packed and will last until the big day and give you kids a lot to play with. What I like is, firstly, that all of the slimes have really nice texture and colors, and the sprinkles, they are the star of the show. So you have here some snowflakes and Christmas bells, really adorable. This one here are sprinkles with presents, snowflakes, and a snow globe with a little snowman in there. Absolutely adorable. Then this one here is for probably some ice cream. This one here, look at that. The little Santa with the cute little sprinkles. Absolutely adorable. Here we have a kawaii Christmas tree. Very cute. This one here I'm so in love with. Look at that. The cute little Santa sprinkles, and then gingerbread sprinkles and a big gingerbread. So adorable. Then we have here some snowflakes, some blue sprinkles, and a little unicorn. This one here, look, there's Rudolph with some Santa sprinkles, some Christmas trees, and a few snowflakes. Absolutely adorable is also this Frosty the Snowman with a few festive sprinkles here. And then we have this one here with snowflakes, a few paw print sprinkles, and this adorable whale. And then another one, and another one that I really liked is this little carrot from Rudolph and a few Christmas sprinkles. Absolutely adorable. all of these are available in this beautiful slime advent calendar, and I have listed it for you in my Amazon storefront.